A day before President Yoon Suk Yeol's impeachment trial resumes after the Lunar New Year holiday, the Constitutional Court will rule on another major case regarding its own judicial vacancy. Soo-young has the details.
The Constitutional Court will decide whether Acting President Choi Sang-mok should have appointed a third judge to fill the court bench's remaining seat, a crucial ruling as the bench deliberates on President Yoon Suk Yeol's impeachment trial. On Monday, the 8-member bench will deliver a verdict on a competence dispute filed by the National Assembly Speaker Won-shik against the acting president's decision to appoint only 2 out of 3 candidates recommended by the Assembly. Under pressure from both ends of the political spectrum, Chair in late December chose to instate 2 candidates, one recommended by the ruling party and one by the opposition party. But he omitted left-leaning Judge Ma Eun-hyuk, saying there should be bipartisan agreement on the third candidate. The Assembly's resolution to appoint the judges was forced through by the majority-holding opposition party, which recommended 2 left-leaning candidates. The Speaker, who comes from the opposition party, claims Chair has disregarded the Parliament's decision by only partially enacting the resolution. The ruling People Power Party, however, have called for the case to be scrapped and say the Speaker's competence dispute bypassed a formal vote at the National Assembly. The court's composition is a particularly sensitive issue amid President Yoon's trial, which requires a 2/3 majority vote to uphold his impeachment. The ruling party and Yoon supporters have raised concerns about the political orientation of the bench, with the president's legal team requesting the recusal of 3 justices on Saturday, citing their connections to a left-leaning legal organisation and their associations with key figures espousing Yoon's impeachment. If the court finds Choi Sang-mok's partial appointment unconstitutional, there would be significant pressure on the acting president to appoint Ma Eun-hyuk as the 9th justice to the bench. However, as the ruling is not binding, observers say it is likely Chair will sustain the 8-member bench until a compromise is reached between the ruling and opposition parties. Soo-young, Arirang News.